Okay guys, so nung gumawa tayo ng Django app, it comes with bunch of this Python files. So isa na dito is yung models. So models, ito yung mag-shape ng ating database, ng ating Django app. So when you have a model, so model is a Python class. So let's create a Python class called post. So class post. And then will inherit from models.model. So, ito ay magiging isang table. So, gagawa to ng table. Ito yung magiging table natin which is post sa ating database. So, every class sa models is another table sa database. So, yung attributes natin or yung properties is yung magiging fields ng ating table. So, sa ating servisyo app, meron tayong title. So, models. So, madaming pwede nating piliin guys. So, merong char field para sa text, slug field para din sa text field, positive, small integer field, positive integer field, UID field, boolean field, at meron pang iba. So, for title, we'll use char field. Tapos, max length natin is 255. Tapos, description, models, text field. Yung text field, hindi yan required ng max length. So, long yung description natin. So, lagyan din natin ng short description. Models. Text field. Max length natin is 100. And then, so, merong title, merong description, merong short description. Maglagay din tayo ng city. Kung taga saan yung mag-post ng ating serbisyo. So, if I say na I do repair washing machine, so, taga-maasin ako sa models text field, char field, at least 100. And then, province, yung province is max length is 2 lang. Gawin natin 2. So, if nasa Southern Leyte ka, so SL yung SL yung province natin. So, title, so price. So, price sa ating service. So, post tayo. Price. Models. I want to use a decimal field. And then, this required max digit is 4. And then, decimal places is equal to 2. So, 4 since or 5. Gawin na lang natin yung 5 yung max digit. And then, ano pa ba? So, title is, ano pa bang kulang? So, yung name, yung tao. Sino ba yung nag-post? So, models, char field. Usually, yung mga tao, nasa ano lang siguro yan, nasa max length, 100. And then, yung feature pala. So, feature, boolean natin siya, boolean. So, boolean, default natin siya to false. And then, so, meron na tayong model. So, sa Django pala, itong models is merong model manager. Okay? Merong model manager. So, type na muna natin yung pag-confirm ng ating model. So, yung command is make migration, make migrations. So, make migrations. So, ito yung magsasabi kung ano yung form ng ating database sa Django app natin. Tapos, yung migrate, ito yung magko-confirm ng ating changes. Okay? So, type muna natin dito, Python manage.py, make migrations. Ayan. So, gumawa na siya ng migration. So, nag-tell siya na ito, ready na yung mga data natin. So, ayan. Gumawa siya ng model. So yung migrations, nag-instruct lang sa Django na gawin na yung model natin na post. And then yung migrate, so Python manage.py, so ito yung mag-confirm. So i-apply na yung changes natin. Migrate. Oh. Tapos meron pang iba-ibang app na nadala ni Django.